Welcome to Click Advanced Excel course to success in accounting profession. Click Advanced Excel. Excel skills are as important as the subject knowledge. Those who know Excel can find better paying jobs. An Excel expert collects, edits, analyzes data, and creates databases and reports. The conclusions made by the data expert are helpful for organizations to forecast the business speculations. It is desirable that learner should have done 10th standard. The Click Advanced Excel is highly recommended to MBA students as it covers 94% syllabus of MBA subject MS Excel and Advanced Excel Lab. The Advanced Excel course covers the following skills like applying customer formats and layouts, creating advanced formulas, use of scenario, pivot tables and charts, and managing and sharing workbooks. The learner produces the outputs in the form of event expenses, exam records, to-do list, database, monthly budget, agenda, receipt and inventory. From this course, you will gain the software skills like data filters, data sorting, data validation, sum ifs, count ifs, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot charts, Power View, auditing formulas, if formulas, Excel shortcut keys, conditional formatting, and many more. Total course duration is 120 hours to be covered in 2 months. The course is available in English and Marathi language all over India. This course is recognized by Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University. YCMOU issues mark sheet to the learners who successfully complete the sections 1, 2 and 3. MKCL provides certificate to the Click learners after their successful course completion. The course focuses on practical knowledge and application. This course makes the learners efficient and gives them rewarding career opportunities. After completion of the course, you can get a suitable position in any organization as a retail store managers, project managers, business analysts, data journalists, accountant, administrative assistant, and so on. So, let's gear up and join now. Click Advanced Excel.